looks like it's starting to rain, so I don't know how much of a harvest I can do this morning, but I'll see if I can do a fairly quick one. Okay, well, here I am. And my radishes have definitely gone to seed. Better do this quick while I can. I think I'll be running to the car in a few minutes. Well, I did want to pick some more chamomile, but at this point, I think I'm done before I get soaked. Peas are coming along nicely. Should have been able to pick them today, but maybe I'll wait for another day for that. Okay, back to my car before I get totally soaked. I've got a couple of cucumbers back, but with what I have at home, I may be able to make another jar. Should have come out an hour earlier. Good afternoon, everyone. This is Tony from her Homestead Skills, and as you can see, it was definitely rained out of my garden this morning, so I decided to go to the thrift shop. And I have gone a few times to the thrift shop, and pickings have been really slim, that's for sure. Quite a few times I've gone out with virtually nothing. But one day I did pick up some more of these. Surprisingly, I've never seen them before, and all of a sudden I pick up packages and packages of these beautiful little jam jars, and then that day I also found a package with two of these little, mostly useless jars, but it also had three of these lovely little jam jars that I never see at the thrift shop, so I was quite pleased with that. So there was 3 in this package, and I'll probably just keep my eye out. Sometimes it's just a matter of keeping your eye out for things, otherwise they may be there and you don't notice them because you're not looking for them. So here's 3 of these beautiful little jam jars. Now I've got a nice healthy collection of them, and I'll keep looking for more. Okay, so today's awesome find was this beautiful little cast iron skillet made by Wagner Ware. And I understand that Wagner Ware is an older manufacturer of cast iron products made in the US, and this is a number 3. It's a small one, and I find that the weight is definitely less than the current Lodge products, and it's also got a much smoother surface. Now, I have washed and seasoned this, and washed and seasoned and seasoned and seasoned, so it's not the same black surface, which was a little surprising to me, but that's fine. It's a lovely little skillet. Now, I did some research, and I know that Wagner Ware is a older product that people look for as an antique, but I don't think this is an antique. It has the made in the USA stamp on it, which means that it was made after the 1960s. Apparently, there was a movement to have things labeled with where they came from in order to protect US manufacturers, and that's fine. I have no issue with that. That's a good thing. So it definitely is made after the 1960s. It is not a collectible. I thought it might be, but the number 3, which is the smaller skillet, is not the collectible. But I'm fine with that. I'm always on the lookout for a nice piece of cast iron, and I'm just starting a collection of them. Mostly Lodge. I have bought 1 or 2 pieces from the thrift shops, and Mark fell in love with using them. They're a little bit of a different care to them. You have to season them after every time you use it, which is fine. Once you get into the role and the habit of cooking with them and washing them and seasoning them, and I do wash them with soap and water. I have no issue with that, and I just re-season. And he loves the way they perform, and Mark is doing most of the cooking these days, so he's the one who has to be happy with the pans, and he's quite happy with using the cast iron. So I'm going to continue to keep my eye out for good products. Unfortunately, a lot of the cast iron at thrift shops is well overpriced and not worth the money. But a lot of it's made in China. And my first few pieces were purchased at Costco and made in China. I still have them, but I rarely use them. So anyway, that's my short thrift store purchase, but I'm, a couple of items, but I'm happy with both of them. Okay, hope you enjoyed this video, and we'll catch you on the next one. Bye for now.